Hey guys, here we have given x plus 1 over x equal root over 3, and we have to find out the value of x to the power 100 plus 1 over x to the power 100. So let's see. Now if we cube both sides, we'll get x plus 1 over x to the power cube equal root 3 cube. Now if we apply formula here, a plus b cube formula, then we'll get x cube plus 1 over x cube plus 3 multiply x multiply 1 over x plus 1 over x, and from here you will get 3 root 3. Okay, then we'll get plus. So here you see x plus 1 over x. Here you see the value of x plus 1 over x equal square root 3. So here we can write then here equals 0, because here 3 square root 3 minus 3 square root 3 equals 0. So that's why we put the value 0 here. After that, from here so here you see x cube multiply x cube equal x to the power 6 and plus 1. So x to the power 6 plus 1 equal 0, because if we multiply 0 by x to the power cube, we'll get 0. X to the power 6 equal minus 1. Okay, now we write this. H to the power 100 plus 1 over x to the power 100 equal. Now we know the value of x to the power 6. So I write down x to the power 6 and 17. So here x to the power 6 times 17, we get 102. Here we have x to the power 100. So what we do, we put x squared. Now we will get x to the power 100. Then here we know the value of x to the power 6. So x to the power 6, 17 equal 102. So what we do, we put x squared. Now we'll get 1 over x to the power 100. Okay, now here we know the value of x to the power 6 is minus 1. So minus 1 to the power 17 x squared plus here x squared, x to the power 6 value is minus 1 to the power 17. Minus 1 to the power 17 equal minus 1 divided by x square plus x square minus 1 to the power 17 equal minus 1. Now here you see x square over minus 1. We can write down. Now here you see x square over minus 1. We can write down minus x square. And this one minus 1 over x square we can write down like this. Now if we take common negative 1, we get x squared plus 1 over x squared. Now if we apply formula a square plus b square, we'll get minus 1 x plus 1 over x bracket square minus 2 x 1 over x. Now here we know the value of x plus 1 over x is square root 3. So minus 1 square root 3 minus 2. Now here minus 1, then square root 3 square equal 3 minus 2. So minus 1 bracket 1. So value is minus 1. So this minus 1 is the value of x to the power 100 plus 1 over x to the power 100. Thank you very much.